Rusk cake are really very crispy wise, but I can't make you hear. And you can hear this wise crispy in my Hindi videos, in my Urdu Dr. Aarti's Kitchen channel in Hindi and Urdu videos. You can listen the crispy wise on date. These are really very crispy. 1 cup plus 1 by 4 cup all purpose flour, 1 cup plus 1 by 4 cup white flour, half cup oil, half cup oil, half cup milk, 1.5 teaspoon vinegar, 1.5 teaspoon vinegar, 1 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 by 4 teaspoon salt, 1 by 4 teaspoon baking soda, add vinegar in the milk, make a buttermilk and leave it for 5 minutes. Added vinegar in the milk. Add soda, salt, baking powder in the all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder into flour, white flour. Add oil in the bowl. Add sugar and buttermilk in the oil, white or brown sugar, any sugar you can use. See the milk curdle after adding the vinegar, buttermilk form. Now blend sugar, oil and semolina. Blend all ingredients together, sugar, oil. Blend it in the ingredients in the bowl. Blend ingredients. Now we will add slowly and gradually flour into it. White flour, add slowly, gradually and keep on mixing. Add flour and keep on mixing. Mix it with the whisk slowly, gradually, fold in the one direction. Now don't overbeat with the machine, so it's better to beat it with the hand whisker. Everything will combine together. Make it in the one direction, fold it in the one direction. Keep on adding the flour and fold it in the one direction. Combine everything together. Beaten everything together. Wet and dry ingredients mixed together. Now beat little bit with the machine to give smooth texture, so there should be no any lumps. Beating for 1 minute only 30 seconds to 1 minute I beat only. Brush the pan with the oil. Brush pan with the oil so that cake come out easily. Brush the pan with the oil. Now add the baking or parchment paper, butter paper, and brush the butter paper with the oil too, so that cake easily come out after baking. Brush the pan with the oil. Now pour the cake batter in the pan. See smooth flowing medium size, medium consistency batter. There is no any lumps. The batter should be like this, middle consistency and no any lump in there. There should be no any lump. Now make it even, spread it evenly on all the directions. Spread it evenly, and now we will bake it 180 Celsius. Spread evenly, tape the pan on the floor so air goes out. Now bake at 180 Celsius. Convection fan baking mode. Convection fan baking mode. Double grill with the fan. Bake at 180 Celsius 40 minutes. Bake at 180 Celsius for 40 minutes. Let's bake at 180 Celsius 40 minutes. Cake is baked, toothpick inserted, come out clean. It means our cake is baked perfectly. Let's remove this from the pan and cut it into the pieces. Then we'll cut the rusk cake shape. We will cut the rusk cake shape, the rectangular small pieces. Then we will bake it again. Let's cut it into the pieces. Cut it into the half first of all. It's a very soft cake. It's breaking, so be very gentle with it. Be soft with the cake. Cut it into the pieces. Now put these pieces in the baking tray. Now I put the butter paper in the baking tray. This is very soft cake, cooked perfectly. This is very soft cake. Now we will bake this again. Bake it. See, I am put all the rusk cake, rectangular cake in the baking tray. Added butter paper in the baking tray. Then kept the cake on it. Put the cake on the baking tray. Now bake it. Let's bake these again for making it more crispy like a wafer. Bake it 180 Celsius for 25 minutes. Bake in middle grill. Bake it 180 Celsius for 25 minutes. Flip, change the side, bake 25 minutes again. After 25 minutes, flip their sides and then bake it again. See, these are very crispy. Bake it 180 Celsius again. We will cook twice time on the 25 minutes for making crispy. I turn all the cakes to the other side. Now bake it 180 Celsius. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Your views matters a lot. Press bell icon button. Thank you for watching.